Okay, so I've got the adjustment put together, and get a full shot of the bandsaw, maybe, along with my messy garage. I gotta clean it up after I'm done with this project again, so I've also got the wheel in there, but right now the wheel is tilted forward because the piece I made, I don't know if you can see it back there or not, but I put it together with contact cement. I don't have any pressure or anything on it right now. I'm going to let it dry for at least 24 hours. And even then, I'm not sure if it's going to hold or not for what I need. So the wheel's not able to spin right now because it's hitting the back along the bottom. So tomorrow I'll see if that piece will work. If not, it's not a problem. I already have a brand new piece on order. I was just kind of anxious to get this thing together, so I tried making a piece. If it doesn't work, no big deal. If it does, well then I'll have a piece for a little while until my part comes in. So, to where I'm at, pretty well done. I just have to wait, like I said, for this piece to dry and see if it'll work. Then I can put a blade on it, line everything up, and give it a test run. If it does not work, like I said again, I have a part on order. When it comes in, I'll put it in, and then we can put a blade on it, line everything up, and then test run it. So, anyways, I'll bring you guys back tomorrow to see if that piece that I had made and glued together actually works or not. Okay, so as I thought, the piece that I'd made back in here, the piece that adjusts the wheel tilt, is not going to work. Without the blade, it was doing just fine. It's because there was no pressure on it. It was leveling out the wheel and everything. But as soon as you get some tension on it from putting the blade on, if I see, I got a resaw blade, 1/2-inch resaw blade on here. As soon as I got that on there, it just buckled up. The glue joint wouldn't hold, which I didn't think it would. So I'll be waiting for the part to come in. It's right now it's Saturday. It's not supposed to come in until Thursday, so I've got a few days to wait for that part to come in, and then I'll have to take this top assembly back apart, change out that part, and put it back together, and then we'll get to test run this. And by that time I'll probably have a 1/4-inch blade also to kind of do some curve cuts and stuff. So yeah, anyways, it's almost done. I did buy a new knob for this. I don't know if I had mentioned it yet. That's for the adjuster as well. The top wheel tilt adjuster. And also, I got what these are just deck anchors, I think is what they're called. Picked up a couple of these. I'm going to mount them on the side here one here and one down low, and that way I can wind up my power cord on this side. So I'll be doing that probably later today. So anyways, after I get those anchors hooked on, I may come back for a quick video, show you guys that. And until the part comes in that I need for that wheel, I won't be doing anything with this. Okay, so I got the deck anchors on there. They're black. I'm thinking about maybe painting them red, but I can take them off and paint them anytime. So I'll just get this on here. And also what I did was I took the power cord. This hole was already here before, and all I did was I took one of them computer caps that you use for all your computer cords. I put them on here, and then I ran it through the inside and drilled out the bottom right there. So I drilled it through the bottom and it comes out, and then I'll just wrap the cord around these two anchors, and that way I can keep my cord rolled up. So let me put this cord plug back together, get this wrapped up around here, and then I'll show you what I got. Okay, so here it is. Cord's all wound up. Barely fits, but I'm probably gonna be shortening up this cord anyways, because this cord stretches all the way across my garage, which I really don't need. I have enough outlets where I don't need this cord that long, and on top of that, now that it's on wheels, I can roll it to wherever I need to plug it in at. So I'll probably shorten this cord up to about half of what it is right now, so then these anchors will work really good. It's working okay right now. I mean, it's up there and it's holding. It's just, there's a bit of cord, but I'll leave it like this for now. Okay, so I got the piece that was broken. I ordered the piece and it came in, and surprisingly they sent me, this was the piece I thought I was getting by itself. They sent me the pin that the wheel comes on, and the pin that secures the whole piece in place. So I wasn't expecting those other two pieces, but it's cool I got them. So I'm going to put these on and get this bandsaw finished up. Okay, so I have the part that I had ordered installed. It's up behind the wheel. You can see the bottom tip of it. It controls the tilt on the wheel, so that's all installed. I've already got a resaw blade put in here. It's a 1/2 inch resaw blade. You see I've already tensioned it up and set everything up. It's running beautifully. Pretty quiet. So I'm going to consider this rebuild completed. I am going to make a video. I've got to make a blade guard for here and for this side. I'll probably make a video of how I make those. I'm gonna connect them into this hole, and there's a hole on the bottom too. So I'll probably make a video on how I build that. I think I'm just gonna make it out of wood, and then I'll paint them red. But it's cutting really good.